skewers of satay on the grill. And then as they're cooking, they use a big fan to fan that smoke out, and it also fuels the fire, and they just go up in a billowing cloud of smoke, and the aroma of the grilling meat is actually irresistible. And I think partly because of the sweet soy sauce, it contrasts with the burning coals to burn, so that's why it creates so much smoke. And the aroma, it's literally, it literally, as soon as you take a whiff of that smoke, your taste buds will start to water. They put the satay onto a plate, and then they season it with some more, I think it's ketchup mayonnaise, the sweet soy sauce, and then they top it with some slices of tomato, some chilies, and a handful of crispy shallots. And then to make the meal kind of a complete meal deal, they added on these rice cakes, which I believe are called lontong. Lontong? Yeah. Okay. They sliced on some lontong, which is a rice cake. Let's try to look below here so we can see all of the goodies. Let me move the rice a little bit over. But this is the skewer of, I think these are the mutton ones, the kambing. And I'm gonna poke into a tomato and a chili. Oh, and there's shallots on here too. Okay, let me dip in that sauce. I'm just gonna taste one of these right now, as is, as soon as I can get that tomato skewered. Not too tender, but it is tender, but it does have a little bit of some texture to it. And then that's like a very nutty, sweet sauce all over it. And then with the freshness of that tomato, those chilies.
Por ejemplo, ahorita vas a poner soya dulce, ¿no?
Sí.
Para coating,
Es
¿no?
una marinada de soya dulce con salsa de cacahuate.
Ah, tiene un poco de salsa de cacahuate ahí. Okay.
Already mixed with the peanut sauce. It's just a superb gravy. Look at all those shallots.
Es como un gravy, ajá.
Caked up on the top of this one, stuck to the top of this one. The chicken here is amazing. It's so juicy and tender, and it's so smoky and richly peanutty. They're teaching me how to make satay. They turn it by the big handful, and I think that's how they allow the satay to not overcook, even though the fire is so hot. They're almost in they're by the handful, and then you just turn them over while fanning that smoke out. I am bathing in the smoke right now, and it's a delicious bath. Ying and I finished with our both plates of satay. Both were excellent. I think I really like the chicken the best. This is an awesome place, and when we came right at 10 a.m. and it was empty.
Esa es salsa cacahuate, ¿no?
Salsa de cacahuate pura, salsa soya dulce.
¿Ya se listo la brocheta?
Street from a hospital, and if you did not know they were making satay here, from the amount of smoke that billows from this little patio area, you may think that a building is on fire because there's so much smoke that comes out of here from the cooking of the satay. So what they do is they take a handful of skewered meat, and then I saw him, I think they're pre-marinated already, and then they really drizzle them in some dark soy sauce before they put them on the grill. And the key to making satay this Indonesian style is that the
¿Otra soya dulce?
Sí, para marinarlas todas. Ese es echalote frito. Se le agrega como topping.
And then they put all of those skewers of satay on the grill. And then as they're cooking, they use a big fan to fan.
Listo.
Y de este lado está el arroz. El arroz con su achar y sambal. Verduras, zambales, salsa picante, muy picante. Y el achar. Y el achar es verduras curtidas, es una ensalada de verduras curtidas, agridulces.
Bueno, es un paquete de
10.
De 10, ok. ¿Cuánto cuesta? 160, ¿no?
160.
Ok, de 5, 85.
85 y el de 7, 110. Hay uno familiar que es de 20, está en 310.
Ah, ok.